morning, guys. Today we are going to Jirikindeng to check out the beautiful waterfalls. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so finally we reached here in Jirikindeng. This is Don Bosco School of Jirikindeng. Right now I'm here to meet up my friend. He'll be the guide today. So we'll go and check it out. This is the falls that is called Nongkirla in Jirikindeng. So, check it out. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you like the video and stay tuned. Another waterfall is coming up from Zirikindeng that is called Dinner Waterfalls. So give a like, comment down below and subscribe. It is free, guys. Come on, subscribe down below and give a like, share. That's it. Bye.